Hi, this is Tarek here from stockoptionexpert.com. Wanted to cover market and some of the inverse ETF that has exploded yesterday as a SPY pullback. Just want to go through one of the inverse ETF VXX. It was bottoming here. If you look at the candle formation, this is like a morning star bullish pattern. If you are a candle follower, you would like to keep an eye on this. This is when we told our members this is a bullish morning star pattern, and if you're options trader, this is where they started to buy call volume around here, right here, not even here. Here they added the biggest volume here, but the first time they expected a market pullback around this candle on June 3rd. If you look at the date here, this is when they started to buy like a big call volume here. If you are in any of my follower in my public account, this is I posted this on June 3rd that UVXX and UVXY rally expected such action today. 9,000 calls, VXX calls peaked yesterday. So this is all the action have started. The calls volume started to accumulate here, and if you look at it, it exploded 9%. And these are inverse ETF. If market goes up, goes down, they go up. If you look at UVXY move, it moved almost 18%. This one has moved 10%, almost almost like total like 20% move in last 4 days. So this has, if you are options trader, this has paid you 200% plus. Also, we tracked how they kept adding volume in particular position. Look at this. The biggest volume came on June 8th. We said our member VXX holding. This is our premium. Option Expert Premium is our premium Twitter for our members. Look at this. What did we say? On this account on June 8th, they added 23,000 calls. This calls worth almost like a multi-thousand to $1 million bet for a bounce in VXS on June 8th. June 8th was here, right on this candle here, and you saw what happened. Like 13% move from this candle on June 8th here. So this has just exploded. If many of our premium members, they just nailed this trade here. June 8 holding VXX holding support can go. So because yesterday those 23,000 calls, when you have 23,000 calls, you go happy. You take at least like 20-30 contracts, and you can make easily 3 to 5 grand profits just because of the size. If you are a size follower, this is what you nailed this trade. Many of our members just nailed it. Also, in fact, I do have a post here from some of our members. They were so happy that we nailed it. Look at this. This is I picked this from a chat room. One of our Chartish member Shamesh, he had the calls and he nailed VXX, and my other good member Mike, he had a lot of calls options. He just nailed it in the chat room here. So this is massive play for us. I will share it with you on this day here, that 9,000 calls. Also, if you look at SPY, I just knew this one. This was setting up for a pullback. Also, we gave you in our public account that SPY, they were adding puts. Yeah, I just want to show it to you guys. It is not some randomly. Look, I have been repeating this block trade from June 8. This was in my public Twitter account week here. You could see this one too. I said there was a 2,449 contracts, but someone was betting that it will hit 211 and lower. So of course, this I have posted this for more than 3-4 times in my Twitter account. Go back, you will see it on June 8. And then you saw how it is below right now, below 211 to 210, and eventually it may come. It could, if we keep it below here, eventually we make a come and test 208 209 level. Also, one of the technical indicators I kept an eye on was RSI, relative strength index. If it is up, it means it's bullish. If it's down, it's bearish. Sometimes it does have some convergence and divergence. But when this one was curling up, it started to curl up around on this day here. This is why I told our members RSI is curling down. It's a bearish sign, and we just nailed this one. And one of our biggest play this week was massive gold call. Gold was our premium, one of our premium trade from our premium account. Someone took a bet on May 24th. They bought 20,000 call spread if you're a spread trader in options. And also I was seeing that it was holding 20-day MA support on weekly, which I will show you in a minute in the chart. Gold, just moving to weekly chart. And just want to show this to 20, just showing where the support developed. You see? Yeah, so if you saw it, this was developing support around 20-day here. So, and this candle, if you turn, this has developed massive move last few days. What it was trading at last week 115, this week 121, almost $6 plus move. If you traded on GT, this made you like a million. Look, and GT was trading right at 20-day moving average. Look at here. This is 69. It was almost a $70, almost like $30, $35 move. It could give you another 3 to 500% on call. This is 3 time bull gold miners and UGT. So this made another massive move here. So I want to move on to daily, and CMG kept this one on radar. My level was to short around 440 or so, but this one just got crushed. CMG, I believe we had a post here. I did repeat CMG last 2 days. Here, CMG, just want to show. Yeah, if you look at it, look at this post here. CMG in my public account, it came on June 8th. That, big put volume, 5,000 part contracts were sitting in the open, excuse me, in the open interest. They were holding 5,000 contracts. So it was not a block buy. We were following the open interest. If you are option trader, and option market gives you indication when, there is a big pullback coming and stuff. So this is massive, like this was on my account on June 8th, and you might think after the fact we are always ahead of the moves. We told you right here on June 8th here. Look what happened. This thing is down $25 in 2 days. So this just got crashed. And if any one of you have CMG put, you are happy and laughing today. So keeping an eye on overall markets here. Also few other Nike keeps holding. You see Nike, I saw call volume here. It is holding here. Need to get above 10-day MA. If it can break above here 55, 75, so it will move. This is a resistance zone. It must has to break above 55, 75. Otherwise it will pull back. We saw call volume. Someone added weekly call volume right here, and those weekly calls volume are up. At least, weekly calls, they pay you quick, so you made 50% to 100% plus on these just 3 days, because weekly 81 call, sorry, weekly I believe it was 55 calls were got bought. If you go in my account, you should be seeing that. So keeping an eye on overall market, how we do. SPY still be just want to make it to 10-day. It's still below 10-day moving average. It may come and touch 20-day, and this is working as major resistance to 12. We have to Fed officials, they will go FOMC next week, so keep an eye how this all plays out. Thank you. Please share.